I'm going to follow a similar format with all my lessons. Firstly, I'll show you the entire movement. Then I break it up into small parts and teach one part at a time. But I always start from the beginning of each movement. The foundational movements are the most important movements in the set. So we're going to do left and right side of the foundational movements, and each movement have a beginning and an ending. And to the left and right side, we're going to do it twice, so it's like a little miniature flowing set. I'm going to show you the first one first, which is walking forward. You start with your hands in the back, like this, palm facing out. Let me show you.
Movement 1, stepping forward.
Start with your feet, toes pointing up a little and slightly separate to a comfortable stance for you. And then bring your hands to the back so that the wrists are resting on the back here. Then you bend your knees to what's comfortable to you, shift weight to the right, and then take a step straight with the left foot. Take a small step, just a step that's comfortable to you. Put your foot down and then shift your weight forward. Then as you shift your weight back, lift your toe up. I'd like to introduce Janet. Janet is a doctor and a Tai Chi teacher. Bending your knee might look simple, but sometimes it takes a lot of your muscle power. One of the things in Tai Chi, when we bend our knees, it's a good idea not to overbend it, because if you bend too far, you lost the balance. Let me show you what I mean. Janet would turn to the side and show you if she bend down, the kneecap to the toe. If you draw a line, then that kneecap should never go past that toe. So she shouldn't bend so far that her kneecap passes her toe. This would be just nice. It's much better to bend less, stand up more. That's totally okay. Because if you're not used to bending down with your knee, sometimes you can just put too much muscle strength. So when we teach you this movement later on, as you bend down, and then you can continue to keep that bend position. But if you feel that's a little tiring, it's quite okay to stand up. That will release the tension. Later on, as you practice more Tai Chi and your leg gets stronger, then slowly, slowly, you can stay slightly bent. And after weeks and months, when your muscle gets stronger, then you bend a little lower and a little lower. And that's a good way to build your strength.
Follow Dr. Lam.
Bend your knees, weight on the right, take a step on the left, foot down, weight forward, and then weight back, left toe up. Let's do that again. bend to what's comfortable to you. Shift your weight. Take a step forward. Weight forward. Weight back. Lift up the left toe. One more time. Bend your knees. Take a step forward. Foot down. Weight forward. And weight back. Then you turn with your hip or your waist so that your toe turns to the left. Then put your foot down, weight forward, and then bring the right foot closer to the left, but not too close. Follow me. Bend your knees. Take a step forward, foot down, weight forward, weight back, toe up, turn with your waist to the left, foot down, weight forward, and bring the right foot closer to the left. Let's do that again. Step back. Bend your knees. Take a step forward, foot down, weight forward, weight back, toe up, turn to the left, foot down, and bring the right foot closer to the left. Let's do that one more time. Bend your knees. Step forward, foot down, weight forward, weight back, turn, foot down. The great thing about Tai Chi is training us to balance. Physical balance helps us to be stronger and less likely to fall or reduce falling. Mental balance helps us to be mentally strong. So when you are physically stronger, you're also mentally stronger. The mind, the body is connected. To train you to have better balance, it's really important to train you to be aware of your weight and to step in the right way. So it might seem very simple and not very exciting to start with, but these are really good foundational exercise. If you can just put up with it and take your time, train these leg muscles, train that weight transference, it's going to make the rest of your Tai Chi so much easier and so much more enjoyable. So follow me again. I'm going to do the other side similarly, and then I'm going to join it so that we're going to do two left, two right, stepping forwards. Bend your knees, step forward, weight forward, weight back, turn your waist, put your foot down, weight forward, bring the right foot closer to the left. And the same way, we're going to step the right foot forward, put your foot down, weight forward, weight back, lift the toe up, turn, and then shift your weight forward, bring the left foot closer to the right. And then we continue to do one more on the left, foot down, weight forward, weight back, turn, foot down, weight forward. Let's do one more time with the right. Foot down, weight forward, weight back, turn. And then you can have your left foot closer to the right, back to where we started.
Follow Dr Lam.
Bend your knees to where it's comfortable. Take a step forward. Weight forward. Weight back. Turn. Put the foot down. Right foot closer to the left. Step forward the right foot. Foot down. Weight forward. Weight back. Turn with your hip. Weight forward. Left foot closer to the right. Step your left foot forward. Weight forward. Weight back. Turn. Foot down. Follow step. Step forward. Weight forward. Weight back. Turn. And left foot join the right. And slowly, slowly stand up.